The first day of classes in the Philippines was jolted by a very powerful magnitude 7.8 earthquake. Early on Monday, June 8, many buildings have collapsed and casualties reported as images continue to emerge following the massive temblor that struck off the coast of Sarangani Bay in the southern tip of Mindanao. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology or PHIVOLCS, the quake's epicenter was estimated off Sarangani Bay at a shallow depth of 33 kilometers. Videos came out of General Santos City, the most populous urban center closest to the epicenter. In downtown General Santos, panic grips as people ran away from a collapsing building which housed Jollibee restaurant and a radio station. We can see in this video how terrified residents flee from the collapsing structure. Shortly after the tremor, PHIVOLCS issued a tsunami warning along the coast of southern Mindanao provinces. Tsunami waves were observed in Indonesia and a 4-foot wave was reported in Davao City. In Maasin Port in Sarangani, a netizen captured this video of waves flooding the port.
Pantalan! Pantalan! Pantalan!
A suspected tsunami is also observed in Bula, General Santos City, as seen in this video.
Nangaguba na. Wala na, guba na mga pamut. Wasak oh. Balik na oh. Suga eh. Wasak ng balay. Isa, apa isa? Kaming pa. Nga. Kusog ba? Tayo ba doon? Wala na. Wala na. Nalinog pa?
These beachgoers in South Cotabato also captured on camera the sea disturbance.
Hala! Ay, Diyos ko, Lord! Hoy, friends! Hala? Hoy, friends, ay! Ay, Diyos ko! Sukusog ang linog! Hoy, friends!
And in Pagadian City, Zamboanga Peninsula, a netizen supposedly captured sea receding rapidly.
Laka, tubig guys. Isaka ka naman alam na pagbalik oh. Is nakita itong bato doon. Wala na ang bato na po doon. Isaka tubig lang. Dali ay. Laka guys, wala rin minuto ang tubig. Kuhaan yun ba? Tsunami yun ba? Mang, tawagin silang pastura dito, mang. Ang tubig, mang, isaka na magbalik, mang. Diba, kita ka mang, tawagin silang pastura, mang. Ang tubig, mang, tanawa kayo, mang, isaka, mang. Pasra, mang. Tanawa kayo, dili, yung katawan, na kayo ng birus na. Ha? Tanawa kayo, ang tubig, yung isaka, balik, oh. Hunas kayo ito ganina, oh. Pero dili, ingon no, nagbalukot-balukot, no?
Di pa naman, katukan mo nga. Kung budas mag-atag ko kay Balikitan sa layo.
Wala, min tao, bulag kalito, nawala tong kuwan ganina. Pero dili, ingon na, balukot, yun na, balod na dako kayo. Mihunas na siya ba, balik na po, no?
Kami ka na sa pagkatandog sa dugaya po no? Pagkatandog pa dugaya.
Naradog ang kuwan. So, yung tao po balik ang tubig. Mula pa sa seawall, impas hunas kayo na ganina gudo. Mula pa sa seawall, delikado. Pero kaya ang tubig, kuha naman. Anam-anam naman pagkakuha niya. Pero ready lang yapon dia, oh. Yung tao bugayo. Ang tubig, yung tao bugayo. Diliran niya yung tubig ng tao. Ready lagi na dia sa taas, dia sa ubo sila.
This earthquake is the largest to hit the Philippines since 1990 and the biggest in Mindanao since the magnitude 8.0 that caused a major tsunami in Cotabato in 1976. Here are the other footages of the quake. Did you feel it? Let us know in the comments.
Inispan ating igalang ang ating mga guro or ang ating mga kapatid. Sige,
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boss, puko lang, boss. Oh my God. Lord. Puko lang, Mayor. Oh my God, Lord. Uy, grabe ka kusog, Lord. Oh my God. Nanindo ka mang.
As in, gid. Sugid kayo. Gid.
Opo.
Pakita mo lang yung tingka. Mama,
Apa man yun?
Declare na ang kwan, nuklas.
Yes po, sige po.